Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your GMC Acadia oil light. First, get into your vehicle and turn the ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. This ensures the electrical system is active and ready for the reset procedure. You'll want to make sure all doors are closed and the vehicle is in park for safety. This initial step is crucial for accessing the necessary menu options on your dashboard display. Next, locate the Driver Information Center, or DIC, buttons on your steering wheel or dashboard. Use these buttons to scroll through the menu options until you find the oil life display. Once you see the oil life percentage, press and hold the SET/CLR button for several seconds. The oil life percentage should begin to flash, indicating it's ready to be reset. Release the button and proceed to the next step. After the oil life percentage starts flashing, press and hold the SET/CLR button once more until the display changes to 100%. This confirms that the oil life monitor has been successfully reset. If it doesn't reset on the first try, release the button and repeat the process. Sometimes it takes a couple of attempts to get it right. Always ensure your engine is off during this procedure. Another method for some Acadia models involves turning the key to the on position and fully depressing the gas pedal 3 times within 5 seconds. Remember, resetting the oil light only clears the reminder. It does not replace the need for actual oil changes. Always follow your vehicle's recommended maintenance schedule, typically every 5,000 to 7,500 miles, or as indicated by your owner's manual. For more great content and deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, check the description below this video. Keeping up with your vehicle's health is always a smart move for long-term reliability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.